In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Gemini language in the Google app. If you use Gemini inside the Google app and want replies in a different language, this quick walkthrough will help you set it up in just a moment. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. First, open the Google app on your phone. This is the standard Google app with the multicolored G icon you use for searches. Make sure you're opening the Google app itself, not Chrome or any other browser, since the setting we need lives inside the app. Once the app opens, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. Depending on your setup, that could be your photo, your initial, or a generic avatar. Tapping this icon opens your account menu, where you'll find options that control how the app behaves for you. In the account menu, tap Settings. This is where Google groups the app's preferences, including language. You don't need to change anything else here. We'll head straight to the language controls. Inside Settings, look for an option labeled Language. If you see language right away, go ahead and tap it. If you don't see it yet, tap Other Settings. That expands additional options that might be tucked away on your device. After you open Other Settings, tap Language. Now you're in the language area. Here, feel free to select your preferred language for Gemini. You can scroll through the list and choose the language you want Gemini to use when responding inside the Google app. When you tap a language, the app will register your choice and apply it to your Gemini experience. Give the app a moment to update. Once it switches over, Gemini's responses should appear in the language you selected. This setting is focused on Gemini inside the Google app and won't change your phone's overall system language. If you ever want to switch again, just return to the same place. Open the Google app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, open Language, or Other Settings and then Language, and make your new selection. That's all there is to it. Open the Google app, tap your profile icon, go into Settings, choose Language, or use Other Settings if you don't see it at first, then pick the language you want. With that set, you'll get a more natural, comfortable experience using Gemini in the language you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting with Gemini in your chosen language.